Dear bro wise, greetings to you everyone. Welcome to my channel once again. This is Oflefle Romote. I want to teach you the Isoko alphabet. I know most of us know it. At the same time, most of us don't know it. I want you to understand this, that the Isoko alphabet is 25. 25 alphabet is what we have in Isoko. Abi di Isoko na. Oime wolo wuro maina. Yo ufo bekere we muhoni vaite nevre kimi in were serio abi di Isoko na ha. Were sate yo epan utiru ser. O wari vovu evairu Isoko. Before you know how to read anything in Isoko language or even in English language, you must to know the alphabet first, right? So that's why we're going to start from here, okay? Please like, comment, and share if you love what I do. And always follow up to learn more, because now I am ready to teach now. I am ready to teach. If only you are ready to learn. Okay, are you ready now? Can we go? A, B, D, A, E. F, G, H, I, J. K, L, M, N, O. O, P, R, S, T. U, V, W, Y, Z. Oyo abidio Isoko na. That is the Isoko alphabet. Follow me for more. Thank you. God bless you. Isoko to the world.